Hey everyone, welcome back to the Aimless Nation, it's Jo. So this week I think you're going to need a bit of history of my life before you understand where I'm coming from with what we're doing. So some of you will know and some of you won't know, I used to stream video games on Twitch. I did that for a couple of years and I would say I'm a gamer-ish. I'm not a mad epic gamer. I've dabbled in like CSGO, Fortnite, Minecraft, PUBG, The Sims. So this week I'm making a computer, apparently. It's a gift for someone and Jay has decided that I can have this opportunity to dabble in PC making because, you know, what is gonna go wrong? We made a computer a couple of years ago for streaming. I helped make that, and by help make that I mean I think I pretty much watched and placed the CPU in place. So I don't really know what I'm doing. But, you know, like what could possibly go wrong with me making a computer? We've got all the parts here, as you can see. So I am legit, and I do know that this is the motherboard. We've got our graphics card up here. We've got our CPU, our RAM, our SSD, our power supply, our cases on the floor. And yeah, what's the worst that can happen? Let's make a computer today. This is the motherboard that I'm going to use. I will put a list of the parts that I've used in this video down below in case you want to see what's gone into this computer properly. This is not an instructional video and it's not a tech help channel, so yeah, the list of the parts will be down below. This is just me trying to build a computer. So I take this out. I'm so like nervous. Can't even work out how to open a box. Oh, it looks expensive. So, I don't know what these bits do. Why don't they make this easier to get out? Like, oh my god, I'm scared already. I don't need this. I don't know. RAM goes here. That is definitely where your CPU goes. And that's as far as I've got. Where does the motherboard go? No. This is a motherboard. Where does the SSD go? Like around here somewhere? Your SSD goes here. And then you've got like all your USB stuff here and God knows what all this stuff does. Next step. So, I need to be near the RAM because I'm gonna go for RAM first. Oh no. So I'm going to put the RAM in and there's a specific order that the RAM has to go in, and thankfully the lovely people at, I can't even say that name, Aorus Elite have labelled it for me so it's Joanne proof. Nah, we don't need those instructions. I have no idea. See, I definitely didn't need assistance in that in any way, shape or form. Don't shake it, it'll break it. That's it, isn't it? That's the CPU. I was like, what's this bit? This is the fan. So it comes with a fan. Yeah, keep it cool. It's as much as I can contribute to that conversation. Are we chucking the instructions? Who needs instructions? Like that.
You click it in.
What a stupid invention. Ah! That was the worst bit so far, that was stressful. I think we've done everything we can do outside of the case now, so time to get more stressed. You're literally a sheet of glass. It's not turning on. Yay! That's pretty! I did a thing, we got the BIOS screen up. Well, Jay got the BIOS screen up. Yeah, computer is for all intents and purposes working. I didn't realise this fan lit up, like that's cool. A few days have passed and I've finally got around to coming back to film the outro of this video. I've been a bit nocturnal at work for a few days, but we're here with the computer, ready, lights looking pretty. Now they've got all these colour things going on. I know it's going to bug people as much as it's bugging me about this protective layer of plastic on the front on the glass, and it says caution tempered glass, and it's just there in all the shots. But this is not my computer, this is a gift, so therefore it is up to the receiver of the gift to have the satisfaction of taking that off, because there is nothing more satisfying than that, and I'm not taking that away from anyone. Computer has got Windows installed, it's been overclocked a bit by Jay, he's done the boring cable management for me. So yeah, pretty much I built a computer and didn't break stuff. Woo! It was close. Like, remember when I dropped that thing? Yeah, it was close at one point. But other than that, I didn't break it and it works. So I'm super proud of myself. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know if you'd like to see more videos where I try stuff out. And if you like this content, please remember to subscribe to my channel. I put out videos every Wednesday and I'll see you next time. Bye. It's not turning on.